Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to make an arrow shape in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make an arrow shape in this document. Firstly, we go to the insert menu and click shapes option. Then we can see here many arrow. Now we choose the arrow right. Then we click and drag on your mouse, press shift on your keyboard, then draw this arrow. Now we can see here we draw arrow shape very easily. You can change this arrow shape color. Click the arrow shape and go to the format menu. Then change the shape fill, select any color and change the shape outline. Otherwise you apply another effect like presets, shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges, etc. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.